Ginaganap ngayong weekend ang Pinoy's on Parliament, isang taunang pagtitipon at leadership conference sa Ottawa na pinangungunahan ng grupong kabangka. Ang tema nila ngayong taon, panahon.
Panahon means season, time, era, moment. And while you are in your young 20s and mid-20s and late 20s, we are all going through a different change in our lives. And we believe that this theme, Panahon, really speaks to the way that all of our lives are changing rapidly throughout these past couple of years. And so we want to make sure that we are creating spaces for Filipino-Canadian youth to make sure that we are talking about these life changes.
Layon ditong matipon ng young Filipino-Canadians at maiparamdam na ligtas itong espasyo para sa kanilang mga ideya at katanungan. Puno ang 3-day conference ng mga pagpupulong, mga talumpati, pagpapamalas ng talento at workshops tulad ng What Happens After School, nagagabay para sa mga nalilito pa rin kung paano sisimulan ang karera.
Usually the transition after graduation is very difficult because you're immediately put into the workforce and sometimes you end up in a job that you don't like, and so we are trying to help delegates figure out how to best plan for their transition into that space in a way that is meaningful.
Sa dami ng mga kaganapan sa Pinoy's on Parliament, karaniwan na raw ang makaramdam ng stress o pressure. Kaya naman may lugar din silang inilaan para sa mga dumalo at nais mag-decompress ng kanilang mga emosyon.
Our role in here is to have like a decompression zone. Our youth is exposed to diverse workshops, and so that's when the Tambayan decompression zone came into place.
Sa panel ngayong Sabado, kabilang sa mga imbitadong magbahagi ng kanyang talento at karanasan sa karera, ang Omni News reporter na si Kisha Balatbat.
All the things that you would never have thought that Filipinos are doing, we get to spotlight it. And so I just hope that the spotlight for Filipinos in the country and everywhere continues to grow, and we get recognized for all the work that we're doing.
Nagsimula ang Pinoy's on Parliament noong 2018 sa pangunguna ng mga estudyante sa University of Ottawa na napansin ang malaking kakulangan ng representasyon ng komunidad sa Parliament. Masasabi raw ng grupo sa likod nito na mas dumadami at lumalaki ang bilang ng mga lumalahok sa event. Patunay na tagumpay nilang naihahatid ang mensaheng may lugar ang bawat Filipino-Canadian youth dito sa Canada.
This year we are actually seeing over 300 delegates signed up this year from coast to coast, north, south, east, west.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.